Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef, tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef.
Remember?
Tell the chef hurry.
Yeah. Bad chef, I'll at it again. Look, I got an idea. Some kidneys, you know what I say? Mad.
Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get your plate a cup. Miss Bully for food, go get.
Yeah, so we are rinse it off. Get water in there, rinse it off. Take the rinse off now. See it, look here. Cut up and everything already. Season or dash in now. That. So what is that? Look at soft. Yeah. Yeah, some of this all purpose. That is it. The rice, yeah? I will go wash and deal with the right now. Or I make that one soak in and rub it in. Is that what? Yeah, bad chef at that. Yeah. See that? Make it one soak in. I make the pot well hot. Put the oil in there now. Yeah. See the oil there hot. So I make it hot. Watch it style. Straight. Suppose to now, so I dash it in, you know. Watch it style. That's some browning in there now. That is it. Mix it round, you know. That's the way I deal it. Next song. Some coconut powder, that patch of gravy. Yeah. Some piece of scallion, some onion, black pepper. Watch your style, a piece of ginger. Alright then. Coconut powder. Or mix it around, you know. Watch your style, people. See it, man. So we don't want no more than that. We'll put it in our pot now. Or bad pepper now. So we're going. Alright. See it, look. We put it in now, see the look. Rich. Yeah man. Rich and thick. Watch it. Rice, wash. Wash your rice. Is my people? Yeah, I put it on the rice just run. See that? Just run. Done you now, people. You see it? Yeah. Final project, you know? Final product. That is it. Yeah.